Ciao Maria!
Ciao, hello everyone. Glad to be together.
Ciao picciotte e picciotti! Today I'm again with Maria, our authentic housewife here in Sicily. I am in this beautiful country house, and what we are going to prepare, Maria?
Today prepare funghi ripieni.
Oh, stuffed mushrooms. So let's see how Maria prepares this dish.
Yes.
Let me check is everything is okay.
Okay.
Please write in the comments if you can see us and if you can listen to us, because today is a little bit windy, and so please let me know.
Okay.
So I need to check all the ingredients. So what we have, Maria?
Mushroom.
Of course we have mushrooms,
Ham.
then we have ham,
Onions.
onions, garlic,
Mint. And
parsley.
Yes. Cheese. Dry tomato. And this is the stem of
Stems
yes.
of the mushrooms.
Yes.
Okay, and then what else, Maria? Here?
We have bread.
Breadcrumbs,
Yes. And cheese crumb.
grated cheese.
Yes. Black pepper
Okay,
and salt. Oil.
olive oil, of course.
Yes, olive oil.
And before to start, please let me share this beautiful view from Maria's housewife. Sorry, a country house. Over there is a Termini Imerese. And today we can see also the Aeolian Island. I don't know if you can see because from the connection is not so good, but we can see also the small islands. And this is the beautiful Mount San Calogero. And now we can start with Maria. So first of all, we start with the mushrooms, right?
Yes, we cut the little one.
But first,
Piece.
Maria,
Yes.
first we start with the mushroom. So the mushroom are already clean,
Yes, I wash the mushroom
and
this way, all this way.
so you wash only the head with the head down.
Yes, because it's not good if you go inside the water.
So wash your mushrooms
Yes.
with the head down.
Yes.
You need to wash only the upper part
Yes.
to avoid getting water in the hollow part.
Yes.
Then remove the stems and keep two of them away.
Yes.
Okay, then we have to chop everything, right, Maria?
Yes, a little piece. See? Very little piece.
So you need to chop the mushroom stems,
Yes.
the onion,
Yes. Tomato, dry tomato, ham,
mint,
mint, garlic, onions, everything together.
let me see. Don't worry, because I'm going to write the recipe in the comment.
Yes. Okay. we need the bread.
So Maria is adding the bread crumbs.
Yes. 2 tablespoons. And cheese, pecorino cheese. I like pecorino cheese.
Maria prefers the pecorino cheese because
The taste is different.
is more tasty.
1, 2, 3, and 4, little bit more. And mix with the bread together. Mix very well.
So in a bowl, you need to place the cheese, but
Yes.
only the grated one and the breadcrumbs, right?
Before. When you mix very well, you put all the other ingredients. Now we put the black pepper. Okay. Mix everything together. Yes, see, now it's very mixed. Okay, now we put a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons. This is the oil with the red hot pepper.
Maria likes the spicy taste.
Yes. Okay. And we mix everything.
Sorry for the wind, but
Yes.
here, as you can see, is an open space, and so is very, very windy sometimes. Look at this beautiful view. I don't know why, but I cannot read the comments. I don't know why.
It's very nice. Everything mix.
And so now you are going to
Yes.
fill the mushrooms.
Yes. Before I put a little bit oil.
So you need to oil
Yes.
your baking tray.
Yes. Okay. Now in the mushroom I put a little bit of salt and a little bit of oil. And then we full the mushroom. And the press. See? Little bit of oil more. And the one piece cheese.
Which kind of cheese is this? Primo sale?
Yes, primo sale, the soft cheese, no hard cheese.
So not seasoned cheese.
Yes, this is soft.
Fresh
Yes,
fresh cheese.
And the cheese, the last one.
So on the top you put
Yes.
the cheese.
Okay. Little bit salt.
I can see my shadow. Yeah, this way is better.
Little bit oil. You press. See? Oil and the cheese. Here I don't put salt because the cheese is salt.
Salty. Is already salt.
And the tomato, the dry tomato is salt too.
Let me say hello. Ciao, picciotte e picciotti. How are you? I'm fine. As you know, I am in Caccamo. And if you have been following us for a while, you already know Maria. Maria is an authentic housewife that lives in Caccamo. And she is very shy, she is very emotional, and so she is very exciting. So also, this is as you know, is a live broadcast. This is not a recorded video, so forgive our mistakes, but everything is authentic and it's live. And so if you like this live broadcast, don't forget to share with your friends and to invite them to follow us. And don't forget our next appointments. So, see you tomorrow night at, in Sicily, of course, will be night at 10 p.m. Italian time, and also see you on Sunday. So, tomorrow it's Saturday, and we have with us Eleonora and another culinary surprise. And tomorrow is Tales of Sicily. And on Sunday, we will have a beautiful couple, a Sicilian couple from a lot of Sicilian villages. I will tell you. The program, as you know, is named Stories of Proud Sicilians All Around the World. And unfortunately, on Sunday, I'm coming back to Gianca, so my vacation is over in a few hours. But let's go to Maria again to see what she's doing.
Okay, little bit salt again, little bit oil, and then we full press all the way.
I'm sorry guys, I don't know why, but I'm not able to read the comments. This live broadcast doesn't show me your comments, so I promise I will read each comment and I will reply, and also I'm going to write the recipe.
If you don't eat ham, they can take away. No put.
Okay, if you are vegetarian, of course you can skip the ham. Or if you are a sausage lover, like Gianca, you can use the sausage instead of the ham.
Or meat.
Everything, Maria, they can put everything.
Yes. Sometimes I do with meat, ground meat. Okay. Poi cheese.
So also this recipe is very simple and very fast. And when your baking tray is ready, you need to bake for about
1 year for a hour.
so about 20 minutes and 180.
Yes. For 20 minutes.
And then you can enjoy them.
Little bit
Oh,
more.
your baking tray is ready, Maria.
Yes, these are fast to make for the women working. And then you put in the oven. It's
In the oven.
ready. With this mix, you can full zucchini, pepperoni. It's very good.
So Maria is saying that if you want,
Yes.
you can also use this mixture to fill zucchini or peppers. So you are free to fill everything with this mixture.
Yes.
And now, Maria, it's time.
I say thank you very much
Don't cry, Maria, please.
for following me.
Maria is too shy.
Thank you.
And of course, she is waiting for you when everything will be over and
Yes.
you can come to Sicily again. Maria is
Very glad if you come.
to host you for a beautiful lunch, to enjoy yourself to the fullest, and to enjoy a memorable cooking class with Maria. So be ready for your next trip. Me and Gianca will be really happy to taking care of you during your trip to Sicily. And so, finger crossed, we hope that everything will be normal very soon. So, for today is enough. See
Bye-bye.
you tomorrow at 10 p.m. with Eleonora for Tales of Sicily. And Maria, we have to say together, love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!
I love you.
Ciao!
Bye.